Hey guys, welcome in this new vlog. I hope that all of you are doing great. So it's been quite some time that I, just talked to you guys on a video. I've been very busy last week working on my other business, and I was also really not much on the charts. Last week I only took one trade, which ended up as a break-even trade. So that is the reason why I did not vlog. I was just, doing other things and not really trading. Now, this week I'm a lot more focused on trading because we're getting very nice opportunities on the market, and therefore I wanted to do a vlog today, show you guys my trades right now that are currently running and what I'm basically looking at for the week. So yeah, with all of that being said, let's get right into it.
I feel so bright, I feel so gifted, I feel so high, I feel so lifted. By my side is where you're sitting, in my life is where you fit in, yeah.
Alright guys, so I'm about to jump on the charts as always to show you my open positions, but just before that, as always, if you like the vlogs, make sure you leave a like under the video. I would truly appreciate that, and I will see if you guys want to see more vlog in the future. So with that being said, let me show you guys my trades. You will see that I have two positions open right now on the market. Both of them are in a pretty good profit, so let's get right into it. Okay guys, so we're now on my chart as you can see. So the first trade of the week was on Euro AUD. So I took this trade around this level here. So my entry is right over here. So as you guys can see, the entry was pretty clean, right? A very nice entry on the market. And of course that is a sell. So it went down and now I'm in a pretty good profit on this trade already. This is more of a mid/long-term trade, so I'm expecting a pretty big move to the downside eventually. Now, are we going to get it right now, or are we going to get a bigger correction? That is yet to see. So now we need to wait and see what we get on the market for now. But overall, the trade, as you guys can see, is already in a pretty nice profit. I'm confident right now with this trade that it will eventually go to my target because it's behaving just like I thought it would when I took the trade. Now, as I said, there are other possibilities of how the market could develop. So we always need to keep an open mind in order to see those different possibilities, right? That's really important. But overall, that is the first trade of the week. So I took this trade on Sunday night, right at the opening of the market. So sometimes I find it funny, right, when some of the traders online say, "Oh, don't trade on Sunday, don't trade on Friday," and all of these weird misconceptions because people think that the day is moving the market or something like that. That's of course nonsense. The day is quite irrelevant. As you guys can see, I took this trade on Sunday and it's going pretty well, and I've been taking trades on Sunday forever and it doesn't change anything, so don't focus on the day of the week or the time or like any of these things. Like, it's quite irrelevant, especially if you are like me, more of a mid-term or long-term trader, we could say, so swing trading, right? If that's what you do, the time or the day or whatever is really irrelevant. Anyway, so that's quite the idea with this trade. As you guys can see, it's in a nice profit for now, so we will see how that develops. After that, second trade of the week, I just took this one before starting the vlog. GBP USD, I have a buy from those levels here, so I think we could see some more upside on the pound pairs, which is why I'm going with this one. Of course, there are many other reasons, but that's just one of them. So I think that there are more upside possibility. Now, this trade, if it doesn't go my way, I will be able to get out pretty quickly, I would say. So, I will probably know either by today or tomorrow if this trade will be a winner or not, but I think that it has some great potential, which is why I took it. Now, we have some GBP news in about 20 minutes. So it's a speech that will be happening, and this could move the market depending on what is being said during the speech. So as you guys can see, the trade right now is in a very slight profit, but it's more around break even because I just took the trade. So what I will do is wait and see what happens during the speech if we get some volatility. So I'll keep you guys updated with this. I'll just, start recording again in maybe 1 hour just to show you guys what happened with this trade, if it is going to be a winning trade or a losing trade, right? So I'll get back with you guys when, after the news. Okay, guys, so we're about 1 hour later than the last update. As I said, nothing really much happened. As you guys can see, we're still pretty much around the same level. We got a little down move here, but that doesn't mean anything. It could still go up or it could still go down after this. It's quite too small to give us any good information. So at this point, I will just have to wait and see how the market develops. If it starts to go down more, I might take out the trade with a small loss. If not, if we stay around those levels, I could also decide to get out at break even, or if it decides to go back up, then I could stay in the trade. So many different possibilities here of how I could manage this trade. For now, it is at break even, so I will just wait and see later during the day what we get, and then I will be able to make a better decision, because as I said, for now we don't have enough information, so we just need to wait and see what the market does. So as you guys saw, those trades are going very, very well. Now, I think that there is a very important lesson that we can learn from this. So let me explain you guys what I mean by that. So as I'm recording this, we are in the beginning of February. So it's been already over 1 month that we have been in 2020. And since the beginning of the year, I'll be honest with you guys, nothing really much happened for me in terms of trading. I did not trade much simply because we did not have very nice opportunities on the market. I took few break-even trades, few small losses here and there. So the beginning of 2020 was pretty slow for me. Nothing really much happened, as I said, and this is really the first week, let's say, that I'm really seeing a lot of momentum on the market and that the trades are going very nice. So out of this to say that if you have a bad week or a bad month even in your trading, or if it's kind of slow, right, like you should not really worry about these things. And one of you guys asking me this question on Instagram earlier during the week, and I thought that it was interesting. But basically the idea is that the result of 1 day or 1 week or 1 month is not really important. It's kind of irrelevant even, I would say. The only thing that really matters is at the end of the year, are you profitable, right? At the end of the year, did you make money? Yes or no? That's the only thing you have to focus on, right? So keep this long-term perspective, because if you start to think, too short term, right? And if you start to basically get caught up into, those short term results and only focus on that, it's not going to help you, It will just mess up with your mind, because you will think that you're not doing great. You will think that, oh my God, the strategy is not working anymore. Like you will have all of those, wrong interpretations of what the market is actually telling you. And in reality, maybe that it's just that the market is not giving you any good opportunities. You see what I mean? So it's really important to keep this, focus on the long term. And even more important than this, if you have a good risk reward ratio on your trade, right? So let's say that for every 1% you risk, let's say you can make 2%, 3%, 4%, 5%, right? So if you have a good risk reward ratio on average, well, you just need a few winning trades, per week or per month or even per year, right? To make a lot of money at the end, Like in 2019, most of my profit came from only a few really big winning trades, So you don't need to make a, constant profit on a daily basis or on a weekly basis, Like that's the wrong conception that a lot of people have when they come to trading. They approach trading with a job mindset, right? With a day-to-day mindset, but it doesn't work like that, and you need to make this switch of mindset. A lot of people come in trading and they think that they will get paid every day. They think that if they work 5 hours, they will get paid in proportion to that. But no, that's not how it works. It's not a job, it's a business, it's investing, right? So you need to always, stay in this business mindset if you want to really succeed into trading. So don't expect to always have constant returns every day, every week. It's not like that it works, like it's really that simple. You need to understand that there are fluctuations, not only on the market, but also on your account. But if you keep your focus on the long term, if you always go for the highest probability trade, and if you focus on, getting the best scenarios possible, and if you always stick to your plan, at the end of the year you will be profitable. That is what I've been doing for the past 4 years into trading, and it has been working amazing. I've had losing days, I've had losing weeks, I've had losing months, but I don't care about that, because the only thing that matters is the long term. And that is the reason why today I've been able to get that type of results and where I'm at now, you know, full-time trading and, you know, having very good results on the long term, once again, as I said, right? Because that is what I focus on. That is my priority, right? So always keep this in mind, guys. I'm telling you, it can make such a big difference if you truly understand the power of this. So hey guys, that's pretty much it for this vlog. As always, I tried to make it as educational as possible and bring you guys as much value as I can. Of course, most of my trading knowledge is reserved for the online course, right? But I still try to give you guys as much as I can for free. If you are interested in joining our community at Reversal Master, the link is always in the description box below, so you can check it out and just, you know, go on the website. You'll see what we have to offer, and if you like it, well, you can join our community. We have a very nice, you know, group of successful traders. That's amazing. People who do this full time, people who trade on 5-6 figures accounts. So I mean, you know, we have a very nice group, I think, and it's a very good environment to actually learn how to trade and to prosper into this industry. I'm also in the group, of course, so you get to trade with us on a daily basis, and yeah, that's pretty cool. So I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. Once again, if you did, you can leave a like under it. You can also share the video around if you want, and yeah, so on that, take care, trade with care, manage your money well, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.